Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we re-diving into a topic that is incredibly important for every dog owner. How to recognize the hidden signs that your dog might be in pain. Dogs are experts at hiding discomfort, and often, by the time we notice something, it's already affecting their quality of life. So whether you've had dogs for years or you're a new pet parent, understanding these subtle signals could make a huge difference for your furry friend. First, let's talk about why dogs hide pain. Unlike humans, dogs can't tell us when they're hurting. Their instinct is to mask weakness because in the wild, showing pain could make them vulnerable to predators. This means that even if your dog is limping or avoiding certain movements, it's possible they've been feeling discomfort for a long time before you noticed. Now let's break down some of the less obvious signs of pain. The first one is changes in behavior. If your normally playful dog becomes withdrawn, loses interest in toys, or seems unusually anxious or clingy, this could be their way of signaling discomfort. Sometimes these behavioral changes are gradual, so you might think it's just a phase or aging, but it could be pain. Another subtle sign is changes in appetite or water consumption habits. Dogs in pain may eat less or sometimes more if stress triggers overeating. Similarly, they may drink excessively if certain conditions like kidney problems or infections are causing discomfort. Posture and movement are big clues too. Dogs in pain often shift their weight differently, avoid jumping, or seem stiff when getting up or lying down. You might notice a dog sitting strangely or favoring one side while lying down. Even slight limping or reluctance to climb stairs can be a red flag. Don't forget about vocalizations. Whining, whimpering, growling, or even sudden barking can indicate that your dog is experiencing discomfort. It's not just about loud cries. Sometimes soft, almost imperceptible whimpers are a dog's way of communicating that something hurts. Another key indicator is changes in grooming habits. Dogs that are in pain might lick or chew a specific area excessively. This could be due to joint pain, skin irritation, or internal discomfort. On the other hand, some dogs may stop grooming entirely, leading to matted fur or a dull coat. Changes in sleep patterns are also common. Pain can make it difficult for your dog to get comfortable, leading to restlessness or spending more time lying down in unusual positions. If you notice your dog sleeping more than usual or seeming agitated during sleep, it might be a sign of discomfort. One often overlooked indicator is aggression or irritability. A normally friendly dog that suddenly snaps, growls, or avoids interaction could be reacting to pain that they're trying to protect themselves from. Let's pause for a moment and talk about specific conditions that might cause hidden pain. Arthritis is a major one, especially in older dogs. Hip dysplasia, spinal problems, dental issues, and internal organ discomfort can all cause subtle symptoms. Dogs can also experience gastrointestinal pain, urinary discomfort, or even ear infections that are not immediately obvious to us. Now, here's a crucial tip. Always monitor for changes in bathroom habits. Straining, accidents in the house, or changes in frequency can indicate urinary or digestive pain. These signs may seem minor at first, but they can point to serious underlying issues. Here's the thing. Detecting pain early can completely change your dog's prognosis. Imagine noticing your dog's slight limp before it develops into severe arthritis, or recognizing discomfort from a hidden dental infection before it spreads. That's why understanding these hidden signs is so critical. Midway through, I want you to think about this. Have you noticed your dog behaving differently lately? Maybe they seem quieter or less excited when you go for walks. That could be a hidden call for help. Don't ignore it. Now let us move on to practical steps you can take if you suspect your dog is in pain. First, keep a daily log. Note their activity, eating habits, behavior, and any vocalizations. Small changes can reveal patterns that indicate discomfort. Second, schedule regular veterinary checkups. Some signs are subtle enough that only a professional examination can detect them. Third, Consider pain management options like diet, supplements, or safe medications prescribed by your vet. Physical therapy or gentle exercise can also help dogs with joint or muscle discomfort. I also want to emphasize the importance of mental stimulation and comfort. Dogs in pain often experience stress, which can worsen their condition. Provide soft bedding, quiet spaces, and activities they can enjoy without strain. Mental enrichment can greatly improve their quality of life. Another important thing is watching for sudden changes. Even a normally healthy dog can develop acute pain due to injury or illness. Quick recognition and timely veterinary care can prevent complications. Before we wrap up, here's a final tip. Trust your instincts as a dog owner. You know your pet better than anyone. If something feels off, it probably is. Even if the signs seem small or inconsequential, it's always better to check with a professional. And here is the hook. Did you know that some of the most serious health issues in dogs, like internal infections or organ problems, often start with the exact behaviors we talked about today? Subtle changes that most people ignore? By acting early, you could be saving your dog's life without even realizing it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips to keep your furry friends happy and healthy. Also, leave a comment below and share any experiences you've had with recognizing hidden signs of pain in your dogs. We'd love to hear your stories. Remember, dogs may not be able to tell us when they're hurting, but with the right knowledge, we can understand them better than ever and make sure they live their happiest, healthiest lives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.